hybrids print cash, and BMW is resolved to leave the mint with each and every dollar it can. In the wake of kicking things off in 1999 with the X5, BMW has presented a X1, X3, X4 and X6. Today, the German automaker at long last pulled back the window ornaments on its most recent model, the smooth and conservative X2. In light of the X1, the X2 takes after an indistinguishable essential recipe from the X4 and X6, with a fastback roofline, short shades and strong lines. Not at all like the X4 and X6, the X2 looks significantly more like a customary SUV, though a low-through one. Indeed, the general extents and moderately low tallness make this look more like a somewhat lifted hatchback. To our eyes, it's much more great-looking than the unbalanced extents and bargaining looks of the X2's bigger kin. The X2 is 3.2 inches shorter and 2.8 inches lower than the officially low X1, however the wheelbase continues as before. Driven lighting is standard all around. The X2 will be accessible in 11 hues, including the Galvanic Gold paint you find in these photographs. Differentiating trim comes in either dark or dark, contingent upon the model. The thought is to make the X2 seem as though it sits higher than it really does. The new model accompanies standard 18-inch wheels, however 19-inch wheels are discretionary. The inside is almost indistinguishable to that of the X1. It's attractive, however it's extremely a similar kind of outline BMW has been utilizing and refining for quite a long time. Bunches of even lines with various hues and materials to separate the dim dash and entryway boards. The M Sport X bundle includes diverse trim and a M controlling wheel with wheel-mounted door shifters. Freight space is conventional at 21.6 cubic feet with the seats up and 50.1 cubic feet with the seats level. When contrasting numbers, that is in reality more space than the bigger BMW X4. It just shows how much that roofline truly bargains things. The X2 comes standard with BMW's iDrive infotainment framework. The base model has a 6.5-inch show that is moved up to a 8.8-inch Unity Fruit is optioned. A full shading heads-up show is discretionary. A driving assistance package includes path flight notices, speed confined data, programmed high pillars and front and walker crash notices. Programmed voyage control is discretionary. Like the X1, the BMW X2 is fueled by a transversely mounted 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 making 228 strength and 228 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to every one of the four wheels through an 8-speed programmed transmission. That is sufficient to send the 3,662-pound X2 to 60 miles per hour in only 6.3 seconds. Top speed is 130 or 143 with the discretionary M Sport X bundle. So, control is just sent to the back through a multi-plate grasp when required. More often than not the X2 keeps running in front-wheel drive. The new X2 will hit showrooms in spring 2018. Valuing hasn't been declared, yet anticipate that it will sit marginally higher than the X1 xDrive 28i's base MSRP of $36,985.